We're presenting Rover with a stimulus here, a bell. When we ring the bell, there's no response in Rover. That's because dogs, just like human beings, are not naturally wired to have a response to a bell. Without conditioning, there is no response. Therefore, we call the bell a neutral stimulus. I can ring the bell repeatedly with no response from Rover. Next, we'll introduce Rover to a new stimulus, the sight of food and water. Rover's natural response to the sight of food and water is to salivate. He wasn't conditioned to have this reaction. It's natural, innate, or inborn, and automatic, not taught, not conditioned. So this stimulus is called an unconditioned stimulus, and Rover's response is called an unconditioned response. Next, we'll simulate Pavlov's experiment. We'll ring the bell, and then present Rover with food and water. Rover salivates, not because of the bell, which is a neutral stimulus, but because of the food, the unconditioned stimulus. Now we're going to repeat this process. If we repeatedly ring the bell before presenting Rover with food, he'll be conditioned to respond to the bell. Now Rover will salivate upon hearing the bell, even in the absence of food. This response has been conditioned. It's now a conditioned response, and the bell has become a conditioned stimulus.